Hey everyone, we've recently spent time in Mallorca, one of Spain's gorgeous Balearic islands. In other vlogs we've been sharing our time in Puerto Pollensa. But today is all about our hotel. We'll show you around our room, check out the pool, the reception, and of course talk about the food and entertainment. Plus we'll give you a feel of where the hotel is actually located. Now let's dive in. So to kick things off, here's our accommodation, the Hotel Azul, or as we pronounced it, Azul. We arrived late in the evening and we were checked into Block C, room 108, a garden suite. As we hadn't eaten, the hotel provided a welcome snack. As we're there, let's take a look at our room. We had booked late, so there was only the garden suite available. However, the room was spacious, clean, and our particular room had a view of the open mountains. There were no cooking facilities, but we were staying half board, so no issues there. And with a kettle, cups and a fridge, we were more than happy. So this is the reception area. The team here were always friendly and helpful. Upon checkout, if your departure is late in the day, there's somewhere safe to leave your luggage, plus there's a private shower room to freshen up. Heading out to the reception, you are immediately greeted by the pool area, with directions to accommodation blocks. Special note, there are two adult-only areas for those travelling without children. One is just above the stage area, and the second larger area above the restaurant and bar. Otherwise, most sunbeds are around the pool. The sunbeds are not put out until 9 AM, and from what we saw there was no mad rush to grab one. It doesn't take long for the pool area to fill, but the event staff will remove towels if some beds are visibly unused for a certain amount of time. Now let's walk around the pool to give you a feel of the area. There was daily entertainment and activities in the day, including aqua aerobics and games. We particularly enjoyed the French bowls. Evening entertainment was put on most nights. A great way to relax and unwind. This is the restaurant and bar area. Overall, the food was fairly varied and of good quality. The staff, as always, were attentive and friendly. We felt position-wise the hotel was perfectly located. There was a supermarket less than 2-minute stroll away, offering a great selection of items. A 5-minute walk from the hotel and you'd reach the beach and harbour. It has a lovely promenade offering shops, restaurants and beaches. Or, like us, you just wanted to find some peace and quiet. If you want to travel further afield, such as Alcudia or Pollensa Old Town, again a 10-minute walk from the hotel will take you to a bus station. Overall, we really enjoyed our time at the Hotel Azul, and we felt it was suitable for both families and couples alike. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments, especially if you too have stayed here. Don't forget to view our other hotel stays, and we'll see you on our next vlog. Bye for now.